Okay, so here's the current version of the eStore with the survey for the eStore. So the very first thing you do is you pick how hard is it to navigate the website. I'm going to take medium across the whole way. I'm just going to be very non-committal. Neutral, medium. I'll say no for these just for an example. And I'll say this is a test lead. Don't worry. And test.test.com. Now, the other thing worth mentioning is that these are rated on a scoring system of 1 through 5. 5 is the best, 1 is the worst. These actually are put in as yes or no's. So if you get all 5s, that's a good thing. If you all get all 1s, it's a bad thing. If you get somewhere in the middle, then it's in the middle. And so you have all this information and the email address, and then you hit done. And so then it sends you to this page, the thank you for completing the survey page. And watch video number 2.